So guys, open the Confist app. Let me open it. See, here's the animation of this app. Click on I agree. Then enter the refer code which will be in my description of the video. Then sign in with Google. Just I am entering the refer code. Just wait for 1 minute. Select your Gmail account. So guys, if you entered my refer code, you will get instantly 300 coins. 100 coin is equal to 1 rupees. You will get 3 rupees for free. Then here you can see a pub scale offer. You can earn many coins from this. Just install and earn. Install and register, install and register, install and earn. Here many offers are there. See guys, then it's not only, let me see more. Then go to play games offer, accept it, and again accept it. Here you can see 3 rupees per minute, 3 coins per minute. Here you get per minute coins, not per level. Here is the main earning app offer. App price. Open it, accept it. Here you can see 14 coins per minute. No app gives this amount of coins. Just install and open it and keep open the app. Nothing. Here you can see my withdrawal history. I have received all my payments.